Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to about guys, how can we customize guys phone sleep time in our Samsung phone device? Friends, you want to customize guys your Samsung phone guys phone sleep time settings. How can you customize guys? How can you use it? And how can you set guys according to yourself your phone sleep time in your Samsung phone device? I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting friends. Click on guys your phone guys this display setting. Guys scroll it friends, again click on guys the screen time mode setting. Then guys we can customize guys our phone sleep time from here guys. 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute and 10 minutes. So if you click on 10 minute, so after 10 minutes your phone will sleep. If you click on this 1 minute, so after 1 minute our phone will sleep. So we will set into 1 minute time. So after 1 minute guys then my Samsung phone will sleep automatic if I do not touch anywhere. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to customize phone sleep time. So bye guys.